Alright, so those are the filters, right?
Sure, so you got your 2 oil filters here. You got your secondary fuel filter. And then this is your primary fuel water separator.
This is the fuel water separator?
Yes, sir, yeah.
There you go.
Absolutely. And then you want to change the air filter today as well?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sure. How much is cost me that air filter? Kakabit na. Guys, wow. Right there, okay. Oh. Ooh, oh, that it's dirty. Look at the thing, guys, the color. Oh, so talagang ano eh. See? Oh,
Right?
yeah. You cannot see.
Barely.
Yeah, it's
Barely.
I don't
anyway.
know how long it will. How long is my last change?
You also see all the paper.
Alright guys, good morning. So dito na tayo sa Canada. Katawid tayo kagahapon. Kita nyo naman, interrogate tayo nung lead officer. Now dito ako sa Walmart. Dumaan ako ng tubig ko kasi ubos na talaga yung tubig ko. Bilis tayo sa tubig eh. Parang isang linggo ko rin yung ganito. Ayan, tara. Okay. Tapos timpla tayo ng kape tapos lalarga na tayo. Ito lang guys yung parang cream ko, almond milk, vanilla flavor. Okay. Ngayon ang plano ko guys, ang plano ko ngayon is magpapa change oil, lube and grease tayo, change filters, lahat pa full service tayo sa truck natin doon sa Calgary. Andito na tayo ngayon sa Okotoks, Okotoks Walmart. Dumaan lang ako dito, doon ako natulog sa bandar yan. May ano dyan eh, may timbangan. Doon ako natulog kagabi sa timbang. Ito, Walmart. Yan, parkingan ng mga kotse. Tumabi lang ako sandali, bumili ng tubig. Almusal muna tayo. Ito yung almusal ko guys. Isang itlog nilaga, tapos yung egg white oh, solid na egg white yan. Tapos tatlong brown bread. Meron siyang ano guys, meron siyang cheddar cheese. Dito sa kabila peanut butter yan. Masarap ito. Tapos kape tayo. Ito yung binili kong kape kagahapon sa kabilang Walmart. Coffee is life, sabi nga nila guys, di ba? Coffee is life. Coffee is life. Sa mga kagaya kong di naninigarilyo mo, o ano, ito, kape-kape na lang muna tayo. Kape. Sahin na rin ako ng kanin ko. Tapos itong ulam natin, chicken thigh. Isapa ko lang dito para uminit siya. Yun. Yan. Iinit na yan. Tapos yung patatas. Ayos na yan. Iinit na yan. Hindi na natin kailangan yung microwave. Let's go guys. Mag-report muna ako sa dispatch ko. Sasabihin ko muna nga okay, so Fs start stop all intact. Yan. Let's go guys. Pa-change oil tayo. Crude lube at saka change filter. Abot yan ng $600. Talaga ito. Bye-bye muna ulit sa ano, Walmart. Ocotox 9 degrees Celsius ang temperature dito guys. Kape tayo, kape. Oh, Viper Ford F8, F350 pala to guys, F350. Malalaman mo F350 kasi yung gulong niya dito sa drive tire niya ay dalawa. Ano? Dalawa gulong. Dalawa, apat, anim lahat ng gulong. Calgary. Ano na 20 miles lang ito mga 30 minutes drive kapag katuloy-tuloy lang. Single detached. Kaya sa pangarap ko rin talaga yung magkaroon ng bagong bahay, yung brand new talaga yung ginagawa. Sana balang araw ma-afford namin ni Mrs. yun. Sana balang araw ma-afford namin mag-asawa. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang construction.
Toward Calgary.
Okay. Alright guys, tatawagan ko ngayon yung Royal Loop para malaman natin kung ilang oras yung intayan doon, waiting time. Tawagan ko. Hello, good morning my friend. Good. So, I come for full service today. Do you have a slot for me today?
Around what time would you like?
I'm here in Okotoks now, traveling toward Calgary. So, probably around 30 minutes.
Okay, you get booked on a truck and trailer?
Yes, for sure. Thank you.
Okay, I'm just gonna check my schedule. Are you gonna be booked on a truck and trailer?
Oh no, only my truck, or only my tractor.
Only the truck, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let me see if I can squeeze you in here somewhere. So about 30 minutes.
Turkey ramp on the right to Highway 2 North toward Calgary.
What's that?
I can do 11:30.
11:30, 10. Yeah, for sure, no problem. I'm just gonna wait into the somewhere in the parking, and then yeah, I'll come at 11.
Okay, sounds good, brother. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. Okay, bye. Alright guys, yan. Mayroon tayong panahon. May singit tayo ni brother. 11:30 daw. Anong oras pa lang? 10:30, so isang oras. Oh, okay lang. Hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Mamayang hapon pa naman yung delivery ko nito guys. Kaya nagpatumpik-tumpik naman ako. Kahit ratratin ko, wala rin. Wala. Kahit anong ratrata nang gagawin mo, hindi ka rin naman 8:30 pa to Anyway, let's roll. Na tayo dun. Siguro habang naghihintay, buhat-buhat na lang muna ko konti. Tamang buhat lang ba? Para sa ganun hindi mawala yung health natin. Nandyan yung Royal Globe. Oh, ito guys ha, nasa Calgary tayo ha. Driving school, student driver, class 1, 3, 5, and air. Sa mga tropang nasa Calgary ha, kung gusto nyo mag-aral ng trucking, ayan o, Frank Driving School. Hindi ko alam kung Pilipino o ano yan. Student driver 403-975-0308 ang telephone number. Yun guys, yun. Mag-inquire lang kayo doon kung gusto niyo mag-aral. Ang alam ko rito sa Canada guys, meron silang program dito sa Calgary, meron din silang program na funded by government. Ang babayaran mo, tuition fee mo is sasagutin ng government. Nakatulad sa akin dati sa Manitoba, meron Manitoba Trucking Association, which is pasalamat ako, gawa nga ng nag-undergo ko ng interview at saka exam nila, naipasa ko. Ay wala akong binayaran nung ako ay kumuha ng class 1 ko. Tapos nung nag-aral na ako, nung nag-start na ako mag-drive ng truck, which is a Cisco, yung unang file ko ng aking income tax return, binigyan pa ako ng $4,000 galing sa refund ng government. So pinag-aral ako ng government free, 8,000 ang tuition fee nung nag-file ako ng income tax, kasi considerable yun na income mo, yung 8,000, kasi nga grant nga yun, binigyan ka nga, income yun. So income yun. So binalik nila sa akin yung 4,000, which is para sa akin, kahit hindi na nga nila binalik gawa nga ng di ba, yung sila na nagbayad. Pero yun talagang rules ng government, rules ng government of Canada here, na kailangan mong i-declare kahit yung gasto sa pag-aaral, kahit yung government ang nag-fund sa'yo, kasi considerable yun na parang income mo. Maganda. Magpasalamat ako. Ewan ko kung meron pa yun ngayon. But anyway, sa mga tropa gustong mag-aral, ayun, nakita natin driving school. Hindi ko pinopromote yun. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo upang sa ganun magkaroon kayo ng idea. Wala naman akong nakukuha incentive sa pag-promote. Sinasabi ko lang. Alam nyo naman tayo gusto ko makatulong din kahit papaano. Yung bagay na ganun lang malaking impact yun sa mga na nakasuporta sa atin kung pa sakali man magkakaroon sila ng idea. Alright guys, ito na tayo. I-top down ko lang ang truck, tapos ito na tayo doon. Yes.
Turn right, then take the first left.
Lugris. Alright guys. So ang usapan namin ni Bossing 11:30 o 11:01 na, sakto-sakto. Tara. Okay. Top down natin. Uy. Ay, may nauna sa atin guys. May nauna. Okay lang. Okay lang. 11 ano naman tayo eh. 11:05 pa lang ah. Line up ko na ron kasi susunod na ako sa kanya. Yun. Ayun na si ano, Busing. Kilala na ako rito eh. Lagi dito talaga yung aking ano eh. Dito talaga yung aking pagrasahan eh. Hi buddy.
How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
Yeah, it's me again.
Welcome back.
Okay, welcome back. Yeah. Full service. Change oil, lube, grease, change filters. You also have a air filter?
Yeah, bro. Let's just pull you in.
Okay, right now? Okay, okay. Sure. Sabay na daw yan, sabay na. Alright. Hope, yeah. Hope. Okay. Okay.
What's up, buddy?
Hi, buddy.
How you doing?
Good. It's me again.
It's you again.
Yeah, it's me again, the small time YouTuber. Okay, how are you?
Big time. I'm good, buddy.
Thank you.
Okay, what are we doing for you?
We're doing the full service today. Change oil, lube and grease, and change all the filters. And if you have the air filter as well,
We have it, yeah.
okay, please.
And you want to do fuel filters as well?
Yeah,
Okay. And
Yeah.
what kind of oil?
the one that I have in my
You want to check?
yeah, sure. Okay.
Just give Sam your company name and we'll check.
Yes, please. Thank you. Good. It's me again, the small time YouTuber.
Yeah, big time.
Wait, no, not big time.
So oil change, fuel filters,
Grease and lube, and also the air filter.
change it.
Yeah, yes, please.
So all the filters.
All the filters, yeah.
Sounds good. You got it.
So,
We'll check everything for you, boss. No worries.
you have my thing in there, right? The oil that you use. Okay.
Yeah, Lackey Trucking.
Turk Enterprise. Name? Lakay Transport.
Unit number
2098.
209. W30 semi-synthetic.
Okay.
Sounds good. You got it.
All right.
Absolutely.
Yes. Alright, titirahin na guys.
Okay, so wet T6 fuel. 1030 fuel. Air filter.
Okay, so ang aking sulat natin dito guys. Odometer is 1,049,550. Meron akong sulatan dito eh. Yung notebook ko. Pinagsusulatan ko lahat ng mga detailed na ko. Okay, so makita natin yung huli kong palub grease dito. Ito, grease and lube, full service. Nung March guys, March, April, May, June. June ngayon eh, sakto. Gis ngayon, so wala pang 3 buwan, no? So full service. Ito, June 9. 9 or 10 pala ngayon. Full service. Change oil, lube, grease, filters. Okay, so odometer 1,049,000. 550. Yun, para sa ganun meron tayong record, guys. So nung huli kong full service, change oil ko March 16. Ngayon naman June, March, April, May, June. Wala pang 3 buwan, sakto. Ngayon lang talaga ang mag-alaga ng truck. Alagaan natin yung truck natin. Okay. Alright, so those are the filters, right?
Yes, sir. So you got your 2 oil filters here. You got your secondary fuel filter. And then this is your primary fuel water separator.
This is the fuel water separator?
Yes, sir, yeah.
There you go.
Absolutely. And then you want to change the air filter today as well?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sure. How much is cost me that pure air filter?
I'll check the price for you.
Yes, please. Okay. Tignan natin kasi magpapa-change na rin ako eh. Magpapa-safety ako. Ganyan lang, alagaan lang natin si Cordapia. Para sa ganun para sa ganun malusog. Malusog. Pwede pa sana ito. Ah, you're there? Okay. Wala sa ilalim.
So the big air filter is 95. I can give you some money off, so I can give it to you for 70 now.
Okay, 95 the big. Okay, sure.
Yeah, the big filter, yeah. So
The big filter with that's the air filter?
yeah, the big one right there.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So
You give me a discount, eh?
yeah, I can give you $79.
Okay, sure.
And it's good for about 6 months. So you won't have to change it for another 6 months.
Okay, sure.
Alright.
So, alright.
We'll change that for you. brother.
Okay, thanks, my friend.
No worries.
Yeah. So the last time that I come here for the change oil, it's March 16.
Correct. Yes.
And then right now it's another 3 months. I always come here because I don't want to go into other places. Yeah, you
We
know.
appreciate it.
Yeah, okay. Because the people here is good, and it's not that too long, you know, the work, because you have a lot of people.
Absolutely. We try and work quick.
Yeah.
We know your time is money.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you have to put that thing too.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So you fill these up.
Fill this-
Pre-fill them, so that way it doesn't catch error when you start. So it makes
Oh.
it easier to start for you.
It's easy. Okay. Alright guys, yan ah. Yan yung ano natin. Oops. Alright. So you're okay with that camera, right?
Oh, of
you're,
course,
you're
yeah,
not
absolutely.
you're always in my
Absolutely.
vlog now.
No worries, brother.
Okay. See? Ang dami nila kasi dito guys. Pinakanana sa loob. Okay. So that is grease.
This is oil. So these are your oil filters, and we just fill them up. We pre-fill them. So
Okay.
1 liter of oil in each filter.
Okay, so the other one is the
Yeah, that's your secondary fuel filter.
fuel filter.
And then you have 2 oil filters.
Oil filter.
And then your primary fuel water separator.
Okay. All right. Good. That's good. Guys, ayun na oh. Ang bilis na. Dito lang naman lagi ako nagpapaservice eh. Wala nang iba. Kasi trusted ko na sila. Mabilis silang kumilos. At may record na rin ako sa kanila. Para nakikita nila. Titirahin na ni Busing. Okay. Okay.
Just fell off of
The rubber, okay, that's fine.
Yeah, it fell off the old filter.
The old filter. Ganyan, no? So siya naman dito, kinakanan sa likuran. How are you, my friend?
What's going on, dude?
You're doing great in there? Checking everything?
Heck yeah,
Really
dude.
appreciate it, man.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Thank you very much. That's good. Still good?
Yeah, you're good for now.
Yeah, because I just changed that about around probably 1 year ago.
Oh, so
Yeah, in my company, yeah.
so yeah, you got another 4 years.
Yeah, but well, if we want to be good, still good, 2 years, around like that.
Yeah, you could always do it earlier
Yeah.
too. Yeah.
Alright. Pwede ka naman magpalit ng ano dyan eh, differential oil eh. Ng kahit anong araw pang gusto mo o anong year. Nakakanain na nila. Titry na.
Sorry.
No, good, no, good. Oh, so you put that thing so that you won't grease here?
Yeah, we put them in there and then we fill the oil. We put a liter of oil in each filter and then they don't fall over.
Oh, that's organized.
Just little things that you learn after a while, eh?
Yeah. Ang gusto kong makita kung paano sila magpalit ng ano guys, yung air filter. Yes.
Like a month ago? He said he only came in here to watches your videos.
Did he? Oh, okay, so okay, yeah, that's well. Thank you that we bringing some customer here.
Customers.
Yeah,
Very excited.
yeah, it is. Guys, sasabi daw meron daw ano, may nagpagrasa rin dito, isang kapwa siguro. It's a Filipino guy, I guess.
Yeah.
Because I am a Filipino, speak my blood is in
The exact same truck as you, so
Oh, so
it
he.
just works out. I think he said he follows your videos and stuff.
Thanks.
Pretty excited.
Yeah. Kaya, kababayang Pilipino dahil sa vlog ko, nakikita nila kung saan ako nagpapalubong Grace. Dito rin guys. Kasi truck stop to, pwede ka nang magpahinga dyan. Pwede mong, saglit lang, mabilis sila dito. Kaya hindi na talaga ako naghanap ng papagrasahan. Tsaka mura pa. Ngayon, I'm happy to help naman sa mga kababayan nating Pilipino ng mga owner operator o company driver na gusto nyo magpag-grease dito. Kayong magpapag-grease dito. Yan. Yan, pumunta lang kayo dito kasi ito yung lugar saan ako nagpapagrasa. Nice. Masaya din naman sila kasi nakapagdala ako ng customer nila eh.
Yeah, it's just coming back with some rags.
Buddy, do not forget this, okay? Sometimes they forgot it because that's not a nipple, it's the
needle.
Needle, yes, yes. Okay, thank you.
And were we running the 1030?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. They're doing it now. There you go. Yan guys ha. $10.30. Dito, napunta siguro nila dito. O yun. Kompleto. Ayos na yan. Chinik din pati oil hub. Make sure oil hub okay. What is that for?
Power steering.
Ah, that's the power steering oil.
Yep.
Oh, you also checking it? Okay, thank
Got
you.
a little dipstick on it.
Still good?
Yep.
Still good, thank you. Ah, tinig na. Guys. Tignan natin yung mga ano rito. Green na sa grasahan nila. Para magtagal lang din naman ang truck natin. Alagang grasa lang talaga yan din. Maintenance yan. Ano lang. Pagdating ng panahon guys, pag na-receive ko na yung ownership ng truck ko, yung deed of sale at saka power of attorney, tatanggalin ko ito. Ito, pipinturahan ko, papalitan ko, lalagyan ko ng pangalan ko yan, Dakay Tracker. Dala-dala pa rin itong ano nito eh, pero wala na ito. Tapos pagka ano, papapalit na tayo nito, bibili ako nitong bago, papalitan ko to. Alright guys, yan. Kakabit na. Clean again, right?
Clean again, yes sir. Brand new.
Brand new. Right here, I saw it. Is this the one that you use, right? Right there.
Ah, there it is. Yes.
There you go. Oh, right there, the fuel air filter. I mean air filter, right?
Yep.
Guys, papalit na rin tayo air filter. Yun. Para sa ganun the truck want also a clean air filter, right? There. So refill diesel. Perfect. That's awesome.
Nice and clean now.
Nice and clean now. Yes, thank you very much. Now we're working. Okay, so guys, full service. All right. So, air filter, full service. So the recommendation is supposed to be every 6 months.
6 months. Yes,
The air
sir.
filter? Okay. I don't realize that. I don't know if how long is my last air filter change.
Might have been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while. That's why we need to see if how dirty it is now. Truck also want clean air, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. All right.
Interrupt the camera.
Right there. That's the new air filter, guys. Wow. Right there. Okay. Oh. Ooh, oh, that it's dirty. Look at the thing, guys, the color. Oh, so talagang ano eh. See? Oh,
Right?
yeah. You cannot see.
Barely.
Yeah, it's
Barely
I
anyway.
don't know how long it will. How long is my last change?
You also see all the papers straight.
Oh, okay.
You see the papers? That's because it's sucking and it's
Oh.
pulling the papers.
Okay. Okay, so he's cleaning it now in there. Okay, that's good.
It's dirty.
Oh yeah.
But now it's nice and clean.
Oh yeah. It's very dirty.
Sorry.
There now. They're putting it now, guys. Nice and clean. That's nicely done.
That's a good one.
Those new filters are clean.
Okay, so full service, 6 months. Alalahanin ko yan para alam ko. Don't forget to give me a sticker, okay?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
The one that I have to stick into the windshield. Kakabit na lang yan. Ready to go na si Cordapia. You know that guy went here? Did you remember that guy? Said your other guy there that they watched my video and then he come for service here too.
Yeah, he watched the video and he came for the service.
Yeah.
Absolutely. He said he watched your YouTube videos and he started coming here.
Sa Filipino guys.
Yes, sir. Yeah, absolutely.
Sa owner operator, I guess. That's good. We're bringing
Bringing good people.
good people here.
Absolutely.
Free advertising.
Yeah, you're also good too. You work very fast. All right.
Is that
Kaya tayong pinaka-boss dito.
does work still? Yeah. This is a restriction gauge.
Okay.
So there's the yellow.
Okay.
It'll come down and show you a little bit. It's not super accurate or anything,
Okay.
but it does show you that it's
Oh,
coming.
the yellow over there?
Yeah, but I reset it because we put the new one in.
Oh, okay. So you have
So
to
just reset it, and then
Okay.
you can see it when it comes down. But
If there's a lot of dirt. Okay. All right. Okay.
yeah, you could tell that other one was bad because you couldn't see through it.
Okay.
And
At least I know now.
It's important to have a clean air filter
Okay.
because it's bringing air in, and if it's dirty, it'll bring dust in.
In the What is this go? It goes into a truck?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
This is how you
It's not
mix,
in the-
you mix your air and fuel together,
Oh.
and then it goes and boom,
Oh,
right?
okay.
So if you've got dirt in this filter, it gets sucked into the cylinder and scratches the liners,
Oh,
and then
okay.
you get smoke.
Oh,
And
that's how
then
it is.
They call it dusting.
Oh, okay, that's how it is. Okay.
So it's important.
All right, thank you.
You betcha. And you get better fuel mileage.
Fuel mileage too. Yeah. Okay, thank you. At least I know now. Now it's time to start the truck. And we're good?
We're gonna start.
Start. Okay.
Yes, sir. And we'll straighten the wheels. Just leave it running so I can check all filters.
Yes. Okay.
How's the torque?
Okay, so yeah, so don't forget my steering wheel to put grease. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Guys. Ayos na naman ang andar ni Cordatia. Oh, lakas oh. All right. There you go. It's time to pay the bills.
Pay the bills.
That was fast. It's not even 20 minutes. It's very good.
It's nice and quick, just like NASCAR.
Yeah, NASCAR. Yeah, that's like NASCAR.
What's your unit number, boss?
2098.
And mileage?
1,049,000.
And is that what you want on the sticker? 1,049,000. You want the next one?
Yeah, you can put that thing so that I know also.
Okay. You got it.
1,049,552. That's the accurate one. At least I know the month. Because the last time I come here is March 16, the one that it's a change oil. But the lube and grease, everywhere I can go, of course, sometimes.
Absolutely.
I'm in Nova Scotia.
Okay. You like Nova Scotia?
That's our route going in there. So if I need to do a lube and grease,
Okay, you know there. Nice.
I do that. But the change oil, I always find a way to come here and do it here in our place here.
So since you were here last time in March,
Yeah.
because of all the wars that are going on, all
War?
the oil,
Okay.
the oil is going up.
Yeah.
The oil's gone up 75% in the last 2 months.
Okay.
So it's a little bit more expensive.
Okay.
So this is the price here, $712, but we're gonna give you help you
Okay.
out a bit.
All right. Okay.
Gonna take that down. We're gonna get it under 700. So now it's under 700 for you.
Oh, perfect.
Okay?
Thank you.
No worries, brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go, brother.
Up, okay. Just gonna insert my card, guys. There you go. Approved. Yeah, right there, the stickers so that I know my next. Thank you. I will put that.
Thank you, brother. That is for you.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time.
Yes.
Don't
Guys.
forget that. Like and subscribe, huh?
Yeah, just always come here. This is our place. Guys, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes, tapos na naman. So, binigyan pa rin ako ng discount. So, 707. So, ang binayaran na lang natin is 670. So, almost $18 din yung nabawas. Let's go. May susunod na naman agad, oh. Ayun, oh. Thank you. Thank you. Till next time. Till next time. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Until next time. Alright, guys. And i-hook na natin yung trailer natin doon. Ayos. Mukhang tahimik, ah. Tahimik, tahimik. Okay, so saan na yun si trailer natin. Doon. Dito, truck repair. Kung magpa-repair kayo, tabi-tabi sila dyan. Babahin natin para hindi makuskos yung halalagay na yan. Tapos itaas natin yung airbag. Yun. Tag-test. Yun, kagat. Alright. Yan. Tapos check natin siyempre. Dito pa yung shield. Ayos na. Mga idol, naservisan na naman natin si Cordapia. Alright guys, ganun lang. So matapos na naman natin yung yung pa-service ng truck. Sakto, nakita nyo naman sa record ko, no? Wala, March 16 ako nagpa-change oil, April 16, May 16, June ngayon, June 10 pa lang, wala pang 3 buwan. Okay lang yan. Mas maganda na nga yun para lalong tumagal ang truck mo. Hindi mo na kailangan pang paabutin ng 5 months kung tutusin. Tumakbo lang siya ng mga 55,000 kilometer yun, hindi miles. Okay, so bali 707.49 ang binayaran ko, labor tsaka yun nga, lahat na to plus tax na yon. So bali bigyan niya akong loyalty discount na 16.99. Ayun. So bali binayaran lang natin is 690.50. Ayun. Alright guys, ayan. So maraming salamat ulit guys doon sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta at nanonood sa video vlog ko, especially rin dito sa Canada, na nakakakuha ng idea at tips sa mga vlog ko kung saan nagpapagrasa. Katulad ng sinasabi niya sa atin, meron daw pumunta rito dahil lang napanood niya yung mga vlog natin. Dito siya nagpag-grease at kung sino ka man, mapanood mo ito, ayun, pwede kang mag-drop ng comment dyan, yan, para sa ganun may shoutout kita. Thank you. At paano nasundan nyo ang Lakay Tracker sa mga ipinapakita nyo ganito. Okay guys, at shoutout na rin sa lahat sa inyo guys, hindi man dito sa Canada. Alam ko maraming sumusuporta sa atin sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Guys, I love you all. Putulin ko na vlog ko rito. Mamaya pa namang alas 8 ng gabi ang aking delivery. At after that, malalaman natin kung ano sasabihin ng dispatch after natin ma-deliver. Guys, thank you for watching. Ingat kayo lagi. I love you all. Peace out. Bye-bye.
Lakay Tracker.